guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm all the way in Beijing and I want to send greetings to all my fellow Jamaicans across the world. It's Jamaica's 59th Independence Day, and wherever you are and whatever you do, reflect on how far we're coming from. We have come a far way indeed, and I would like to personally say thank you to all of the forerunners who made us reach this far, and to all the Olympians and all the athletes in Tokyo, Japan. Big up on yourself. My brother Uno, my love Uno. Hey, big up on yourself. So thank you to everybody who have helped to mold Jamaica into what it is today. Just enjoy the rest of your day. Live good, work good, love each other. Let's continue to unite and just live good. Mwah. Bye bye.